Jai Mata Di, this is Praveen Gupta, Director JMDI Academy. You know, it really warms my heart to sit here and bring you people year after year, batch after batch. JMDI Academy's achievers have really done a lot, especially in cracking examinations like Anglo-Eastern, especially Anglo-Eastern. We feel शायद एंग्लो में एक अलग से JMDI का बैच बन सकता है. The
Yes,
number
sir.
of students who have gone into and got selected into Anglo-Eastern from JMDI Academy, and of course other good companies as well. So today we have Ankit Kesri with us. Ankit has been selected into Anglo-Eastern and is currently studying there. So I feel he'll be the better person to tell about all this. So let us go to Ankit Kesri and hear from him. Ankit.
Good evening, everyone. And I'm Ankit Kumar Keshri, and I got selected in Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy during this lockdown, and I did 2 batches in JMDA actually. The first one is from July 2019 to December. Then I appeared for the boards exam. Then during the lockdown, I switched over to the online classes. So during the online classes, it was good for the newer or the freshers, but I feel that the online classes were not that good as compared to the physical classes or the offline classes. As Praveen sir and Praneet sir both, they came after the classes to mentor us, to guide us, and that's all.
So Ankit, since you're mentioning what went wrong the first time, since you were here with us for the earlier batch also, where you joined us in the physical classroom. So what went wrong, and how did you overcome that situation?
So actually, I have to give the improvement test because my marks are not matching the criteria, which is in PCM we have to clear 65% for Anglo, and for other colleges it's 60%. So my PCM percentage were very less. It's 52 around, I think. 52 around. So I have to give the improvement test. So I gave that and scored 74 in PCM overall. So
thank you, Ankit. The reason for my asking you this question was to let people know that with hard work we can achieve anything. See, Ankit, for some or the other reason he didn't do well in his class 12th. Now, once he knew what his aim was and he started working towards it, he did not deter from the goal. उसको ये नहीं लगा कि मुझे अभी दोबारा से class 12 देना पड़ेगा. But he had his aim. He wanted to join merchant navy, and उसके लिए eligibility criteria ही above 60% PCM requirement थी. And of course for Anglo people want the college wants people to have above 65% aggregate in PCM. तो ये चीजें दिमाग में रखते हुए to pass class 12th once and then again reappear in the exam to improve your marks, that in itself takes a lot. वो commitment होना चाहिए. Then we will be there with you people like we were there with Ankit, and Ankit rightly pointed out जो चीजें हम लोग एक क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम में कर पाते हैं वो ऑनलाइन बैचेस में नहीं हो पाई, और ये हम लोगों ने बहुत क्लियरली बच्चों को बोला भी था. Like the discipline, and this is something which showed in the second online batch also. We were not able to maintain the discipline which was required of a batch, which is especially if it is studying with JMDI. So, and we are back again. Things have improved, and we are going back again this time with the physical classroom. So, हमारे classroom program is again, Ankit, it is going to start again in the month of March. and hopefully we'll come up with a solution for online batch also sometime in the future to better maintain the decorum and the discipline in the class and kind of provide what we provide in the classroom.
So it's
Thank you for the
good
suggestion.
to have offline classes rather than
Right,
online
right,
classes.
right.
और सर
Uh,
आप लोग भी मतलब प्रवीण सर अभी तो प्रणीत सर शिप में है, फिर प्रणीत सर ने भी बहुत मॉडल हमें बहुत मोटिवेट किया था, बहुत ज्यादा, स्पेशली मुझे कि मतलब मैं इम्प्रूवमेंट वाला बच्चा था तो अभी कुछ कह नहीं सकते थे, रिस्क बहुत था, तो सर ने बहुत मेहनत की थी और मैंने भी की सर.
right.
Yes.
थैंक यू फॉर द काइंड वर्ड्स. बट बेटा आप लोगों की मेहनत है, हम लोग सिर्फ एक जरिया हैं. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस, विदाउट योर हार्ड वर्क वी कांट डू मच. ठीक है, यू कैन ब्रिंग अ हॉर्स टू द वाटर बट यू कांट मेक हिम ड्रिंक. सो अनलेस
Yes.
you have the desire to do well, we can't do much, right? And that fire
Yes,
was
sir.
there in you, so you did well. So again, since you are in the college now,
Yes, sir.
how
No,
are you
I'm
feeling?
not in college.
You feel accomplished, you've accomplished something, और अभी लगता है कि नहीं मर्चेंट नेवी तब ज्यादा अच्छा लगता था, अभी कुछ और पता चल रहा है, ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ?
No, sir, not at all, sir. अभी और अच्छा लगता है.
अभी और अच्छा लगता है. तो मुझे ये
Yes,
बताओ
sir.
कि
फिर
अंकित करियर को कैसे चूज किया और कैसे अपना गोल बनाया?
sir, actually I live in मतलब my hometown is in Munger, Bihar, but I used to live in Dehradun since 2012. So I did my schooling from there only. So but in tuition when I was in 10th class, my seniors were discussing about the merchant navy कि ऐसा होता है, तो फिर मुझे थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट आया कि अच्छा है यार करियर. तो फिर मुझे 12th में प्रणीत सर आए थे ट्यूशन, केमिस्ट्री के ट्यूशन. तो फिर वहाँ पे प्रणीत सर ने हमें मतलब बताया मर्चेंट नेवी ऐसा होता है. फिर 12th में मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि मुझे मर्चेंट नेवी ही करना है, क्योंकि मेरा मतलब अब हर लोगों का अलग अलग प्रिसेप्शन होता है, बट मेरा ये था कि अगर मैं 9 to 5 जॉब करूंगा तो मुझे बाहर ही रहना पड़ेगा, बिहार से तो अपने घर से बाहर ही रहना पड़ेगा. बट अगर मैं मर्चेंट नेवी चूज करता हूँ तो अगर मैं 6 महीने बाहर भी रहता हूँ शिप पे, तो फिर लीव डेज में मतलब ऑफ शोर में तो मैं घर पे रहूंगा अपने. तो ये था एक, और दूसरा सेकंड तो होता ही है मनी. यस.
तो इंटरेस्टिंग टेक. आपने ये फिगर आउट किया कि इफेक्टिवली you would spend more time with the family if you were to join merchant navy.
Merchant navy, yes sir.
Right. That's an interesting take. So थोड़ा सा इंटरव्यू के बारे में बताओ. How was the interview? क्या what were the question asked and how did you feel?
Sir, it was good. Means मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि बच्चों को लगता है कि एंग्लो का है तो हार्ड होगा या फिर बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होंगे वो टीचर्स, बट जो सरदार सर थे वो बहुत मतलब पोलाइट बिहेवियर के थे.
He must be having some
मतलब
name, right?
I don't remember his name.
Okay, never
actually.
mind. So you could have just said sir.
हाँ sir. तो he has means a polite behavior, not that strict or stereotype interviewer teacher. So मतलब उन्होंने बहुत comfortably मुझसे बात किया, पूछा, और फिर they gave me at last 4 questions of height and distance which we were discussing in classes. प्रणीत सर ने भी बहुत बार करवाया था हमें, और फिर राम सेवक सर ने भी करवाया था हमें. तो फिर वो 4 तो बहुत इजी थे, मतलब जैसा प्रणीत सर हमें करवाते थे क्लास में उसके कंपैरिजन में तो बहुत इजी थे वो. तो फिर एनसीईआरटी के थे तो फिर हमने ये सब कर लिए थे, और एक ऐसे दिया था कि योर एक्सपीरियंस ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन. तो फिर ऐसे था, बस उतना ही था सर.
And any particular questions or rather so sorry, not going into the particulars, but questions जो पूछे गए थे, कुछ you can shed some light कि जो इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछे थे what they asked on the basic concepts, या किस तरह के क्वेश्चन थे, कुछ याद है आपको?
सर क्वेश्चंस हाँ एक मतलब लॉज वगैरह में बहुत पूछे थे सर ने कि पास्कल्स लॉ बताओ, ये लॉ बताओ, फिर बहुत सारे लॉज वगैरह सर ने पूछे थे,
Right. So they
पास्कल्स
were
लॉ
basically
फिर
testing your basic concepts, right?
यस सर बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स मींस 11 12 स्टैंडर्ड
11th, 12th standard. So
यस
were they taught well in the classes?
यस सर ऑफ कोर्स सर ने तो
And
पूरा
you did
इंटरव्यू
not
का ही
face,
दे दिया था वो
so you did not face much
नो
of
सर
problem.
नॉट नॉट एट ऑल सर
Not
वरना फिर होता ही सर सेलेक्ट
right. And were those especially grilling interviews we generally take for students? I mean, the mock interviews, were they helpful?
यस सर मीन्स आई डोंट नो सर क्योंकि मैंने सिर्फ एक मॉक इंटरव्यू दिया था बट सर हाँ वो इफेक्टिव था जैसा जैसा आपने बोला था तो फिर एंग्लो में हो गया
That's good to know. Baki, any particular message you want to give to the people or to
सर
the aspirants who are preparing?
फॉर द व्यूअर्स मतलब मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि हार्ड वर्क करो जो पढ़ा रहे टीचर वो पढ़ो जो नोट्स मिल रहे वो करो अच्छे से हार्ड वर्क करोगे और सेल्फ स्टडी भी करोगे साइड बाय साइड तो हो जाएगा सर
Right. And you rightly said, keep working hard, everybody, because without hard work, there is nothing in this life. You don't get free lunches here. You won't get free lunches anywhere in life. So how can it be here? So on that note, Ankit, will end this here, and
Okay, sir.
all the best. Do well and keep
Thank
making
you,
us
sir.
proud, and stay in
Yes,
touch.
sir.
Right? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Jai Mata Di.
जय माता दी सर